Kiku, you wanna go outside? Okay, let's go. Unlock the door. Be free. What's up, YouTube? I'm outside with my dog. Bro, this goes up to like how deep this goes. I feel like this gets encapsulated. Like I can't even see him. I don't even know where my dog is. I know, seriously, I don't see him. I don't see him. Where'd he go? Bruh. Somebody's got. Oh, there he is. You see that? You see how bad this is? Like this back actually cut. Like seriously. It's freaking Sabari. What's wrong with this? Look. Kiku. What are you staring at? What are you looking at? Oh, by the way, did you guys see this thing over here? Right there. See this? Lots of stuff. That's why I don't come on outside because he puts it under there. And if he runs out, he might leave. So that's what we have out there. And we're gonna get it fixed. We're gonna get a new gate and stuff, you know, eventually. Well, we don't have the time to do that right now. What are you doing? Stop trying to eat grass. What's wrong with you? I'm zooming, but what you doing over there? See with the face. I have no idea what this is. I don't know who made that. Hold on. Watch out, buddy. I don't know who made this, but that's weird. Probably for a painting or something, you know. Can you see me? Alright, oh, it's cold right here. Freaking like, oh, what is he? You guys see this? I guess he's enjoying himself. Look at this. He's probably about to do it again, probably. Oh, there it is. Look at him. He's like rolling around in the grass. Are you not cold? It's like freaking like 40 degrees out here. Why did I only come out with a sweater and freezing out? Oh my god, look at him. Are you okay, man? Like, it looks like I don't know what he's doing. He's having fun. He's having fun. Right there. No. It looks like he's trying to eat the grass too. Look. Please be fine. You okay? Wait, I'm going to do it again. Look, looks like he's trying to eat the grass too. You know what? And it's spring too. It's like spring right now. It's like freaking May. It's May and it's freaking cold out here. Like it's like freaking February all over again. You know how cold February was? February was freaking cold, man. Why did I smack that? I don't know. Oh, February was freaking cold. It was. It was cold. Oh my god. You see how far I threw that? I threw all the way down. Oh shoot, no. Can't let him go over there. I can't let him go over there before he like actually runs out. Ow. Look at this broken thing. But you know what I did? It's this one, the handle's gone. So you do is oops. See, what you do is you push this handle to the other side, but you know sometimes it's cold outside. It's just like, you know, kind of cold. It's like jammed right now. So you have to like push it hard. But I'm not gonna do it right now because. What are you doing over there? Well.